Let's practice this one. Put on. It means to wear clothes or accessories. Like when you put on something, you're actually wearing it. The example is, she put on her shoes and went out. That means she wore her shoes before leaving. Another example is, he put on a hat because it was sunny. That means he wore the hat to protect himself from the sun. Another one, put on. It can also mean to gain weight. So when someone says they put on weight, it means they've become a little heavier. The example is, I've put on 5 kilos this month. That means I've gained 5 kilos recently. Another example is, she's worried she's putting on weight. That means she feels like she's becoming a bit heavier. Put on. It can also mean to start or perform something, like when you arrange or organize an event for people to enjoy. The example is, they're putting on a concert this weekend. That means they're organizing and performing a concert. Another example is, the school put on a great play. That means the school arranged and performed a wonderful drama. Put on. It means to switch on something, like music, lights, or a machine. So basically, when you put something on, you're turning it on to make it work. The example is, please put on the fan. That means turn on the fan so it starts running. Another example is, he put on some relaxing music. That means he turned on or played music to feel calm. Put off. It means to delay or postpone something, like when you decide to do it later instead of now. The example is, don't put off your studies. That means don't delay or skip studying for later. Another example is, the match was put off due to rain. That means the game was postponed because of bad weather. Put off. It can also mean to make someone lose interest or motivation. So when something puts you off, it means it makes you stop liking or wanting to do it. The example is, the bad smell really put me off my food. That means I lost my appetite because of the smell. Another example is, his attitude put her off joining the team. That means she didn't feel like joining because of his behavior. New verb is put out. It means to extinguish a fire or light, basically to make it stop burning or shining. The example is, please put out the candle. That means blow out the candle so the flame goes off. Another example is, the firefighters put out the fire quickly. That means they stopped the fire from spreading or burning. Put out. To publish or produce something, like when a company releases an ad, a book, or a magazine. The example is, the company put out a new ad last week. That means they released or shared a new advertisement. Another example is, they put out a monthly magazine. That means they publish a new magazine every month. Put out. To cause inconvenience, basically when you trouble someone or make things harder for them. The example is, I hope I'm not putting you out by asking for help. That means I hope I'm not troubling you. Another example is, sorry to put you out, but can you drop me home? That means I know I'm causing you a little inconvenience by asking for a ride. Let's practice. Put up with. To tolerate something unpleasant. Basically, to accept something even when you don't like it. The example is, I can't put up with this noise anymore. That means I can't tolerate this loud noise now. Another example is, she put up with her rude boss for years. That means she tolerated her boss's bad behavior for a long time. Next one, put away. To tidy or store something properly. Basically, to put things back where they belong. The example is, please put away your clothes. That means put your clothes back in the right place after using them. Another example is, he put away all the dishes after dinner. That means he cleaned up and stored the dishes properly. Put away. To eat or drink a large amount. Basically, when someone finishes a lot of food or drinks without difficulty. The example is, he can easily put away 2 burgers. That means he can eat 2 burgers without any problem. Another example is, she put away a whole pizza by herself. That means she ate the entire pizza on her own.